The dominance of the US dollar, USD, in the global financial system is the result of a combination of historical events, economic strength, political factors, and institutional advantages. No single reason explains it, rather, several reinforcing factors have sustained the dollar's position for decades. 1. Historical legacy and the Bretton Woods system. After World War II, the United States emerged as the world's strongest economy, holding the majority of global gold reserves. In 1944, the Bretton Woods Agreement established the US dollar as the anchor of the international monetary system. Other currencies were pegged to the dollar, and the dollar was pegged to gold. Even after the gold link was abandoned in 1971, the dollar retained its central role due to inertia and trust built over decades. Path dependence matters. Once the world organized trade and finance around the dollar, switching became costly. 2. Size and strength of the U.S. economy. The U.S. has consistently been one of the largest economies in the world. It is a major importer and exporter, making the dollar natural for invoicing global trade. A large economy creates constant global demand for its currency. Countries prefer holding the currency of an economy that can absorb shocks and maintain stability. 3. Deep, liquid, and open financial markets. The U.S. offers the deepest and most liquid financial markets in the world. U.S. Treasury bonds are considered the safest and most liquid assets globally. Investors can buy or sell large quantities of dollar assets without causing price disruptions. There are no major capital controls in the U.S. This makes the dollar extremely attractive for central bank reserves and global investors. 4. Trust in U.S. institutions and rule of law. Global confidence in the dollar rests heavily on an independent central bank, Federal Reserve, strong legal protections for property and contracts, transparent financial regulation. Even during crises, investors tend to move toward the dollar, not away from it, making it a global safe haven currency. 5. Dollarization of global trade and commodities. Most global commodities, oil, gas, gold, agricultural goods, are priced in dollars. This creates constant international demand for USD. Often called the petrodollar system. Countries must hold dollars to import essential commodities. This self-reinforcing cycle strengthens dollar usage worldwide. 6. Network effects and inertia. The dollar benefits from powerful network effects. Businesses use it because others use it. Financial contracts, loans, and derivatives are mostly dollar-denominated. Switching to another currency would require rewriting contracts and restructuring markets. Once a currency becomes dominant, alternatives face extremely high switching costs. 7. U.S. military and geopolitical power. The U.S. maintains the world's most extensive military and diplomatic presence. Control over key global institutions, IMF, World Bank, enhances dollar influence. Sanctions power, e.g., SWIFT access, reinforces dollar centrality. Geopolitical power indirectly supports monetary dominance. 8. Absence of a credible alternative. Potential rivals face major limitations. Euro, strong but fragmented fiscal authority and political divisions. Chinese yuan, capital controls, limited convertibility, lack of transparency. Gold or crypto. Lack flexibility, scalability, or stability for global trade. As long as alternatives remain incomplete, the dollar remains the default choice. 9. Reserve currency advantage. About 60% of global foreign exchange reserves are held in US dollars. This allows the US to borrow cheaply and run persistent trade deficits. The dollar's reserve status reinforces global demand for US debt. The US dollar dominates not because it is perfect, but because it is more trusted, more liquid, more widely accepted, and more deeply embedded in the global system than any alternative. Its dominance is sustained by economic size, financial depth, political power, institutional credibility, and network effects. While gradual diversification is occurring, a sudden collapse of dollar dominance is unlikely unless a credible, fully open, and trusted alternative emerges, something that has not yet happened. If you like the explanation, please consider subscribing.